This RC Real Estate Group property video is presented by Kirsten McAndrew. Gulf front and right on the water at Majestic Beach Resort. Located on the 17th floor with endless coastal views. Private balcony offers Gulf breezes, sounds of the surf, sunsets. This popular floor plan features a master bedroom with its own bathroom and a guest room with access to the guest bath. You will find many updates throughout. This spacious 2-bed condo is furnished and ready to earn rental income. Majestic is pet-friendly for owners and offers some of the best amenities on the beach. Enjoy indoor and outdoor pools, hot tubs, children, and kiddie pools. Poolside Bar and Grill, Internet Cafe, and Market. Fitness center with steam, sauna, massage. Movie theater, owner's lounge. On Trolley line to Pier Park and the dog-friendly beach. Smile. For more information, review the details below or contact Kirsten McAndrew at 850-249-6100.